Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can verify your Worldremit account. So let's get started. Verifying your identity is a crucial step to comply with international regulations and protect your account depending on your country. Worldremit accepts different forms of ID. You can use your national ID, but it must be issued from the country you're sending from. Make sure to upload clear, glare-free images of both the front and back, with all details including the document number clearly visible. You can also use a passport, as long as all four corners are shown in the photo, and it displays your photo, full name, and date of birth. Another option is a driving license, but this is only accepted if you're outside the EU. Your license must be high quality in date and include the expiry date, place of issue, and the machine-readable zone if available. All ID details must match the information on your Worldremit account. If you're sending money from New Zealand, you may also be asked to verify your address. Worldremit will reach out to you via email, and you'll need to reply with a valid proof of address as an attachment. The document should include your full name matching your Worldremit account, your complete home address, not a PO box or work address, a date of issue within the last 3 months, and the official logo or name of the issuer. Accepted documents for address verification typically include utility bills like gas, water, electricity, or insurance. Mobile phone bills aren't accepted, a driving license with your address, or a bank statement. If your submitted document is rejected, it might be due to a mismatch in details, an expired document, or using an unapproved document type. In some cases, Worldremit may ask you to resend your documents, especially if the original upload wasn't clear or if additional verification is required. When this happens, you'll receive an email with a secure link. Just follow that to upload your ID or address proof again. Be sure all documents are clear and match the details in your account. And yes, your personal information is completely safe. Worldremit stores your data securely and uses it strictly for identity verification through their Know Your Customer KIC process.